Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm thrilled to take you on a walking tour of the gorgeous beaches of Canet de Mar in Barcelona, Spain. Before we start, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic travel content. Canet de Mar is a beautiful seaside town located on the coast of Barcelona, and it's known for its stunning beaches and charming atmosphere. The beach is located at the foot of a cliff, and it's only accessible by walking down a steep path, which makes it feel like a secret cove.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The beach is quiet and secluded, and it's perfect for those looking for a peaceful spot to relax and soak up the sun. As we wrap up our walking tour of Canet de Mar's beaches, we can't forget to mention the town's charming streets and beautiful architecture. Canet de Mar is known for its stunning modernist buildings, including the famous Casa Rural, designed by the architect Louis Dominic I. Montaner. The town also has a lovely market where you can buy fresh produce and local handicrafts. In conclusion, Canet de Mar is a beautiful town with stunning beaches and a laid-back atmosphere, and I hope this walking tour has given you a glimpse of its beauty. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the tour, and please hit that subscribe button for more exciting travel content. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.